Hello guys, welcome to iSmart Indian, and today I'm going to unbox this Hindware Calisto 7 liter RO. The MRP of this RO is around 15,000 rupees, and I have bought this RO for around 7,200 rupees. It's available on Flipkart and maybe outside market. This is a filtration process for this RO, and this is showing some indicators, specifications for this RO. Its production rate is up to 12 liter per hour, and it's a RO plus the filter. Then the purification technology is RO+UV+UF. Now let's unbox this RO. सबसे पहले आपको इसमें मिलेगा इसका मैनुअल और इसका वारंटी कार्ड। And now let's take this RO outside of this box, and we'll keep keeping it aside. This is a power adapter. And these are some accessories and the rest parts. And this is a valve. This one is the extra tap for this RO. So guys, installation is done by the authorized technician. Making this video after using it for like 1 or 2 weeks. So I have felt like this RO is like it's not fruitful or not useful. So personally, I don't recommend this RO to buy. Meanwhile, I have faced the issue with this RO that it it started leakaging this to Flipkart, and they have not provided me any resolution. So thanks for watching this video on iSmart Indian. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.